solar system. Okay, so what is the mystery of solar system? What is the mystery of celestial body? So this is this is something it is in our discussion. If we see solar system, if we see distance, okay, then Mercury, Venus, and Earth from Sun, more or less, I believe they are equidistant from each other. So if there is a one unit in solar system called EU, I believe it is AU, astronaut unit or something like that. Astronautical astronautical unit. Okay, AU. This is what AU. So AU is the astronautical unit, is the unit of distance in space science. There is one also called light year. That is also light travels in 1 year. How much distance is covered? That is light year. That is generally calculated between the stars. Whereas in a particular solar system, in particular star system, like in solar system where Earth is there, then the kind of distance is measured in AU, astronautical unit. The distance between Sun and Earth is called 1 AU. In that sense, typically the with Sun and Mercury they are at 1 by 3 AU. Sun and Venus they are at 2 by 3 AU. Sun and Earth is at 1 AU. Distance between Earth and Mars is distance between Earth and Mars is 1 AU. Mars and Sun is 2 AU, more or less. But between Mars and Jupiter, it is around 4 AU and all along. Can you see it? If someone watching the solar system mystery, then this is one of the big mystery of the solar system. First four planets are more or less tied together. Mars is at distance from Sun is 2 AU, but distance from Mars and Jupiter is around 4 AU. This looks like there are two parts in solar system. There are two parts in solar system. One part is Sun and up till Mars. This is one part. Mars and Jupiter distance is very high, far away. Looks like from Jupiter onward to Pluto or the other heavenly body, they are in other part. So solar system has two parts. One part is Sun to Mars and other part is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto and others. There are others also. There are two parts of the solar system. Okay, now question why I am putting this point. If you see the composition of the solar system, the sun is fully gas planet. Sun is fully gas, hydrogen gas, fully. Hydrogen is converting into helium and it is liberating energy. So it is full gas. If we see the kind of Mercury and then Venus and then Earth, moon that is rotating around Earth and Mars which has two moons where they are very small. They are rock like only. Okay, they are rock like only. This is a big word. What is moon? It's a like rock only. What is earth? It is not a rock. Earth's internal structure is liquid. Earth, if someone goes down, then it is liquid, melted metal. That is the earth inner creature. If you see Mercury, Venus all has liquid inside. If you see Mars also it has liquid inside. But if you see moon, there is no liquid. Full is solid. If you see the moon of Mars, there are two moon of Mars, right? Phobos and Deimos. Deimos and Phobos, these are the uh, uh, two moon of the Mars. They are also solid. So, solid to liquid comes solid. The satellites are solid, whereas the composition of planets are liquid and solid, whereas composition of sun is gas. Why? That is the mystery of the universe. Why? That is the question that is coming. If sun is if now how many planets are there in sun? Nine. There are 9 planets, including Pluto. instead of 9, if it was 9 billion? The question is, sun is a gas, sun is a gas planet or sun is a gas celestial body, gas planet, gas star, whatever it is, which has nine as the planet. Now, question that is arising for the sun is, if instead of 9, it was 9 billion planets were revolving around the sun, then sun composition would have been gas only or something else? This is the question. Because looks like the composition of the any heavenly body changes if something is dependent upon him. Okay, if I say Mercury, Venus, and Earth and Mars, they are planet. Mercury and Venus do not have the moon. This proves that their internal core is not that liquid. If it is liquid, it is very small. But Earth has good amount of liquid core because it has one moon. The Mars has two moons, but they are very small. Not much weightage on the Mars, but they are two. If I go along, then solar system is in two parts. This is what I say. Another part is Jupiter onward. If another part is Jupiter onwards, that is another part of solar system. This is also called extended solar system. Extended solar system. If it is extended solar system, means someone is taking care of another part of the solar system. Though everyone rotates around the sun, but other extended solar system looks like it is autonomous region. Like Xinjiang province in China is autonomous region. Tibet is autonomous region. They have some more power than any other state are. In that case, this planet from Mercury to Mars, they have one set of power that is given by sun, that is limited, but other planets, they have high power because that is extended solar system, that is autonomous region. If they have high if power is growing, can you see that solid is coming to liquid, liquid is coming to gas? If that is the case, even power of the extended solar system, because sun cannot tackle this big solar system on its own, it gives responsibility to some planet to tackle the extended solar system. And what are those planets? That planet is actually it is Saturn. It is called that Saturn is the oldest planet in extended solar system. Beyond that, Jupiter came into the picture. Jupiter is newly born. Jupiter was not there earlier. So Jupiter is kind of son of Saturn. So Jupiter came is a new. Now it is said that the extended solar system is centered at the Jupiter or Saturn. Means they are taking care of the extended solar system. Means if it is Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, and so many. So many asteroids are there. In between Mars and Jupiter, so many asteroids are there. Beyond Pluto, there are so many asteroids are there. Now Jupiter has to take care of everyone, including 60, 70, or 100 satellite that is revolving around the Jupiter. More energy is required, right? In that sense, Jupiter is neither a rock. Jupiter is not a rock which has centered as a liquid like Earth. Jupiter is a pure gas planet because more energy is required like Sun. In that sense, the Jupiter is a gas planet. Earlier, it was taken care by Saturn. Saturn is also a gas planet. More responsibility is coming, then things are changing. This is secret of solar system or universe. Okay, now can you see more toward Uranus and Neptune? This part is taking care of the extended solar system. They are also not metal or rock. Uranus and Neptune are again hydrogen and helium and good amount of solid methane. Means they are like ice, but they are not rock. They are not metallic. They are again a kind of gas planet only because they are taking care of the extended world. In that sense, Pluto also has methane gas as solid form. That is not the case of Earth, Mars, or they are rock planets which center as melted metal. This is the mystery of universe or solar system. If someone is carrying more, what will happen if I reduce the responsibility of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, and they will come near to the sun? Then they will tend to freeze down and they will become a rock because that much responsibility is not on their hand. More responsibility if someone is carrying, then this solid body will not work. He has to turn up into gas planet, and that to hydrogen and helium, highly inflammable, with very high energy. With that energy only they can sustain an autonomous region of a solar system. But they are smaller. Jupiter is 10 times smaller to the Sun as far as radius is concerned. Similarly, 9 times is the Saturn smaller than, similarly, the 10 times smaller than the Sun, 10 times higher than the Earth. Saturn is 9 times higher than the Earth. And Uranus is 4 times, Neptune is again 4 times. But little bit Neptune is smaller to the Uranus. Pluto is one-fifth. Generally, Pluto does not considered as planet of the Earth, Sun, but it is the planet. But responsibility is very less, it is very high, it is away, and it is not carrying any responsibility. So it is and rock and gas, methane gas, mix. Okay, this is the new way of explanation of universe. This way of explanation of the universe, I'm certain that it is not available anywhere else. Now, if we see the kind of radius, then I believe this few things I know. Like moon is one fourth of the earth, Mars is around one half of the earth, and sun is around 100 multiplied by earth if radius is concerned, and Venus is same as earth, little bit less. I believe Jupiter, Mercury is one third of the earth, I'm not sure. And then these are the 10 times, 9 times, 4 times, 4 times, and one fifth of the earth is Pluto. But what is the composition of them is as per the responsibility. So I believe the Pluto and Jupiter, I mean Saturn and Jupiter, they are famous for their natural satellite. They are more in 60, 70 in number for the Jupiter. If those satellite is not carrying that much responsibility, then they would be rock only. No core would be melted metal core. Amazing, right? This is something that we have brought in. Means if you see the more in responsibility, now if you see the Milky Way galaxy, then Sun is a gas planet, gas celestial entity, pure gas. And like that, stars are pure gas. If all stars are pure gas, that is a question mark. Now, all stars in the Milky Way galaxy, they rotate around a new star, I believe that is called Sagittarius. Okay, Sagitt, Sagittarius, Sagittarius A. Okay, Sagittarius A, something like that. But that is not a star around which all the stars are revolving. That is called black hole. Black hole is considered as a very mature star. It was a star earlier. Now it is a very mature. Now in that fashion, that is a black hole. Black hole is not pure gas or whatever. No one knows what is black hole. It is some energy is there that is making all the gas. So more energy we are going out. The composition of the celestial body is changing. Can you see it? From rock solid, that is satellite, from rock solid to, if you see the satellite of Mars, they are really rock only, pure rock, nothing else, pure rock. If you see moon, it is much bigger to the Mars satellite, then it is set of rock. But satellite rock to planet, then set of rock inside it is a melted metal. Okay, in planet only, if we go for the planet, we carry high responsibility, then it is ice planet. Uranus and Neptune, they have more than 2, 3 moon also. They are powerful. If you go more in responsibility, then in planet itself, it is a gas planet. If you go more in responsibility, then planet turns up into star, that is sun, fully gas. More into responsibility, then it becomes a black hole. Amazing, right? Anyway, someone can think about it. This may not be the end or something like that, but it gives a kind of different way in looking the solar system. If you read in the book, the all the way that talked in solar system is how far they are from the sun and what is they made, but why they are made like this. One insight I gave like that, but there can be many angles someone would see why sun is inner sun and extended solar inner solar system and extended. Why it is made like that? Because everything is engineering based only. God created technology and technology created the universe. There is some technology is there. Why there are two part of the solar system? That is again question that is unanswered. And then constituency, this is what we are trying to crack it. There can be many mystery in the solar system. Why it is like that? Why Jupiter or they are carrying more responsibility? And why Mars has two planets? Now why not one planet? Why Mercury and Venus, they do not have any planet at all? Why Mercury is shining like this? Why there is a acid rain on it? Because each drop, each particle, each atom in universe is costly. Each atom in universe is costly. Nothing is free. So why it is made like that? Someone should crack it, right?